This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jan Moore. This lakefront property is loaded with value-added amenities. In addition to the spacious home with supersized rooms and closets and 1.03-acre lot, there is a boat ramp, boat dock with 2 slips/lifts, a seawall, an RV carport, a workshop, a 3-car attached carport, a screened back porch, and covered front and side porch to make your stay at Lake Blackshear comfortable and enjoyable. For more information, review the details below or contact Jan Moore at 229-273-4132.